Chapter 1: Kingdom of Colorful Fish. Long ago, in the deep waters of the ocean, there existed a place called the Kingdom of Colorful Fish. This kingdom was known as a world where magnificent fish with splendid colors lived together in joy and love. The leader of the kingdom, King Bluefin, stood out among other fish with his scales shining in a blue hue, harmonizing with his name. Chapter 2: Mysterious Threat. One day, colorful fish gathered at coral gardens, one of the most peaceful places in the kingdom. They were swimming in love and happiness among the corals. On one of these joyful days, the fastest swimmer of the kingdom, Goldenfin, brought news. "King Bluefin, I sense a mysterious shadow coming from somewhere underwater. It could threaten the peace of our kingdom," he said. Chapter 3: Quest for Collective Solution. King Bluefin took a deep breath and said, "My friends, we must solve this together. The world is vast, but together we are strong." Colorful fish decided to protect their kingdom by combining their unique abilities. Chapter 4: Knowledge and Preparation. Goldenfin joined the Ocean Wind's communication network and learned where the mysterious shadow was coming from. He shared this information with colorful fish. The first step was to use the whale song to alert a massive army of jellyfish to protect the kingdom. The jellyfish army surrounded the kingdom of colorful fish to safeguard it. Chapter 5: Together we are strong. Colorful fish gathered at coral gardens, uniting their powers. The red fish with courage, the blue fish with wisdom, the yellow fish with energy, the green fish with endurance, and all other colors decided to support each other. They stood against the dark shadow by uniting not only their own colors, but all colors. Chapter 6: Victory of Light and Colors. When the mysterious shadow reached the kingdom of colorful fish, it found a brave, connected, and colorful community in front of it. The fish understood the deep fears and concerns within the shadow, deciding to offer it a world full of joy and love. Even within the shadows, they maintained their colors, ensuring a future filled with the beauty of the kingdom of colorful fish. Chapter 7: Happiness Forever. And thus, the world of colorful fish became a beautiful story of living together, being connected with love and using differences as a strength. Colorful fish not only protected their kingdom from external dangers, but also from internal challenges, living happily ever after.